Hey everyone, Vic here. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places in Tokyo to experience the magic of Christmas lights in 2024. Whether you're planning a romantic date or a family outing, these spots have something special for everyone. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, Tokyo Skytree Town Dream Christmas. From November 7 to December 25, this entire area around Tokyo Skytree transforms into a festive wonderland. The tower itself is lit up in vibrant seasonal colors, and down below at the Sky Arena, you'll find a European-style Christmas market. Think warm drinks, delicious snacks, and holiday-themed souvenirs. It's perfect for families, with plenty of restaurants and shops to keep everyone entertained. The lights switch on each evening at 4 p.m. and stay up until 11 p.m. The nearest station is Tokyo Skytree Station on the Tobu Skytree line or Oshi-Age Station for multiple subway lines. Next up at number 4, Marunouchi Illumination. Running from November 14, 2024 to February 16, 2025, this elegant display on Marunouchi Nakadori Avenue is all about sophistication. Picture over a million champagne gold LEDs wrapping the trees along this charming street. The glow creates a warm and cozy atmosphere that feels straight out of a holiday movie. The lights come on a little earlier here at 3 p.m. and stay on until midnight, so you can enjoy the beauty well before or after dinner. Marunouchi is just a short walk from Tokyo Station, so it's incredibly easy to access. At number 3, we've got the Omotesando Illumination. This display is chic, just like the fashionable street it's named after. From December 1st to 28th, 2024, the iconic Zelkova trees along Omotesando are decked out in glowing LED lights. It's a breathtaking sight that makes the street look like it's been sprinkled with stardust. The illuminations light up from sunset until 10 p.m., creating the perfect excuse for a slow, stylish stroll. With its high-end boutiques, trendy cafes, and easy access from Harajuku Station or Omotesando Station, this spot is perfect for anyone who loves a mix of glamour and holiday spirit. Now for number 2, the Roppongi Keyakizaka Illumination. This one is a showstopper. From November 7 to December 25, 2024, about 800,000 LED lights create a stunning snow and blue display that stretches for 400 meters along Keyakizaka Street. The best part? You can see Tokyo Tower glowing in the background, making it a photographer's dream. This area is wildly popular. It can even stop traffic. I mean literally, a sea of selfie sticks line the crossing at each turn of the signal. You can view the lights from street level or head into the Roppongi Hills complex for a different angle. Here's the catch though, since it's a street with cars and crowds, it might not be ideal if you're bringing little kids. But if you're with friends, co-workers, or on a date, the atmosphere is unbeatable. While you're there, be sure not to miss the European-style Christmas market inside Roppongi Hills. It's packed with seasonal treats like glühwein, Christmas snacks, and gifts. For some reason, the gift shop always has an inexplicably long line. The Roppongi lights sparkle nightly from 5 to 11 p.m. The nearest station is Roppongi Station, accessible via the Tokyo Metro Hibiya line or the Toei Uedo line. And finally, at number 1, the Tokyo Midtown Illumination. This display running from November 14th until December 25th in 2024. It is an absolute masterpiece. Known as the Ensemble lights, it features over 560,000 lights that turn the garden area into a snowy, magical dream. The display includes a music and light show, with occasional bubble showers and even snow sprinkling down. Be patient, it happens on a cycle a couple of times an hour, so stick around if you really want to catch every single bit. But that's not all. There's a fully fledged open-air ice skating rink right next to the display. For a perfect date, you can enjoy the lights and then impress with your skating skills on the rink. The lights here come on at 5 p.m. and stay on until 11 p.m. and the rink is open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. One of the best things about the location is Tokyo Midtown itself, which is an upmarket mall complex, complete with restaurants, a food court, and even a supermarket. It's a beautiful building worth visiting, yet it is super family-friendly with many restrooms. The closest station is Roppongi Station, but there is also Nogizaka Station, both a short walk away. Japan has a way of taking presentation to a whole other level, so make sure you see at least one of these during your stay. Enjoy and see you in the next video.